Hello, my adoring fans. Today,
Potatolady
I
is
started the
back
day
in
by
business,
working,
boys.
but Maddie had other plans. She doesn't seem to have much to do these days since handing in her notice. So, fair enough. Take the time where you can. I was very proud of the fact that I've managed to reduce the cost of the data by something like 33% so far this month, expecting it to possibly be as much as 40% by the end of it, so we'll see. So proud, in fact, I had some tasty breakfast made by Maddie, and then it was lunch, and played a sneaky bit of WoW because I was jealous of Maddie. Did have a bit of a long lunch break, maybe like extra half an hour or so, but not too bad because we headed off to the gym, so it wasn't all playing WoW. Here I am stretching. I'm not 100% sure I did this right, but whatever I'm doing, it's working. Because today in the gym, my cleans, I've been told, were much, much better. I was catching them lower, I was bending my knees, all the stuff you could possibly hope for, really. So that was good, huge improvement. Maddie's also improved, so hopefully this continues. Hopefully I magically become an expert at explosive athleticism alongside this. Anyway, here we are walking back, giving Maddie a thumbs up, because she also did well. Had a protein shake when we got back, did a bit more work. Got a flurry of emails at 4:50, all from the same person.
No one said happy birthday on my birthday.
So I've ignored all those and I'll
happy
deal with
late
them tomorrow.
birthday.
Because, what am I going to do in the last 10 minutes? Anyway, Maddie had made a very tasty chicken. That wasn't actually me that ate it this time. It was Maddie by the time I got to take a video. But then she left for basketball, but before she left, we played a bit of WoW together. Look, there she is logged on the left. Not the top one, but the second on the list.
Back on the menu,
And then I ate some tasty, delicious food, also made by Maddie. When was the last time I cooked for myself? I don't even know. And then she's been out doing basketball, so I played some more WoW. So I hope you all had a good day. And adieu.